So, headed to a call now where the complaint is that her clothes aren't drying. She had her appliance repairman out there, and sure enough, it's a plug dryer vent. Okay? If your clothes aren't drying, if you have to put them in 2 or 3 times, 2 or 3 cycles to dry, there's nothing wrong with your dryer. It's your dryer vent is plugged up. Now, clothes not drying is a nuisance. The bigger problem with this whole thing is that a plug dryer vent is one of the leading causes of house fires. So a good maintenance practice for you to do as a homeowner is to have your dryer vents cleaned. Okay, so this is Peter, and we got the dryer pulled away, obviously, and down there is the dryer vent, as you can see. Okay, and we're going to take this brush, which Peter works by this controller. Okay, we turn it on, turn it off, spin it, and as you see, he's going to start inserting it into the dryer vent right now. Okay, don't. Keep going. Push it up, pull back. Keep going up again, push it way in, and pull back. This is what's causing your clothes not to dry. So remember, have your dryer vents clean. It'll save your electricity bill, possibly keep your house from catching on fire, and dry your clothes a lot faster. Have a good day.